What I've been seeing the last several years has been very interesting, especially after the pandemic. What we've noticed is a significant labor shortage, especially in the welding, in the trades. And one of the things I've been very impressed with is the interest level of robotics. But one of the problems with robotics is the complexity of programming it and trying to determine how to quickly get it into production. With the ABAGY software, what I've been very impressed with is the fact of the ease that it can be programmed, a robotic cell. And in fact, a welder himself can actually do that programming and get that robotic cell into operation very quickly. So I'm very optimistic that this shortage that we're currently experiencing, we can address through automation. The question is, is going to be more manual welding or more robotic welding? There's absolutely no question there's going to be more robotic, more automation welding. The generation that's coming up now, they're not going to be wanting to get underneath the hood and weld. They're going to want to have something, a pendant or something easy, something that they actually have grown up with over the years. Where our customers already have some welders and that don't know the principles of welding, it's really good. But the difference is that they need to have the capability to be able to multiply their skills and be able to work at a faster rate of speed. I think with the ABAGY software, because of the ease of programming, that's going to enable them to do that.